One way to fix no screens found is to create xorg.conf file, which uses vesa driver. If you are into TTY, command prompt, run xorg:1 configure. It makes a root xorg.conf.new file, so modify that file replacing driver line s as driver vesa. Use your favorite editor for editing, Nano, Roman 6. When you have edited root xorg.conf.new file, copy that file to xorg11 folder. cp root xorg.conf.new xorg11 xorg.conf. Install also xinit and twm packages. pkg install xinit twm. Reboot and see what happens. You should get desktop on, and if not, run startx or startx mate session ## if you use mate desktop. If X does not start, comment add hash in the front of lines other graphich drivers on boot, for example. #sysrc list plus equals I915 kms #intel. #sysrc list plus equals radeonkms #amd. #sysrc list plus equals nvidia-modeset #nvidia. #sysrc list plus equals nvidia #older nvidia.